There are a lot of people who've gathered there waiting at the airport, I'm sure, to kick off the celebrations in Mumbai as well.
Well, yes, to firstly give you an idea in terms of the sense of the elaborate preparations that have been made, this is the open bus. You see people, they're already making last-minute preparations and last-minute touches are being added. In fact, a few minutes earlier as well, the bomb squad and the dog squad were inside to check for the safety measures as well. And you can see this is the bus that is going to be paraded. These gentlemen in orange as a part of the band crew, which is popularly known as Dhol Tasha, are also out here. You can see that they are ready to welcome the Indian cricket team with a lot of enthusiasm and energy. I'll also try and talk to a few people. आपको आज कैसा महसूस हो रहा है कि आज इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के स्वागत के लिए आपको यहाँ पर बुलाया गया है ढोल बजाने के लिए?
ये हमारे लिए एकदम प्राइसलेस मोमेंट है। ये हम शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि इंडिया के लिए हम यहाँ पे बजाने के लिए आए। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है और इसके लिए हमारा ये नाम ही काफ़ी है, सामना ढोल ताशा पदक। इसके नाम के नीचे हम लोग सब एंजॉय करते हैं और हमारा बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है और वो हमारे मास्टर है वहाँ पे और हम बस सब खुश है। हम बता नहीं सक रहे, आपको समझ में भी आ रहा रहेगा कि हम हमारी खुशी हम बता नहीं सकेंगे और इतने बड़े मंच पे अगर हमको इनवाइट किया है तो खुशी की बात है हमारे लिए और टीम इंडिया के लिए। हम कांग्रेचुलेशन टीम इंडिया के लिए वंस अगेन, थैंक यू सो मच।
Also, you saw that these people, several of them out here, if I can show you, nearly a 15-member crew that is present out here at the Mumbai Cricket Association inside the Wankhede Stadium, which is where we are reporting from at this point in time. But I'll quickly try and speak to a few young drummers. आप रोहित शर्मा के परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रोहित शर्मा ने हमारे लिए कप जीता है, हमारे कप्तान है, पूरा देश उनसे प्यार करता है। क्या कहेंगे पूरा ओव्हरऑल टीम इंडिया का जिस तरह का परफॉर्मन्स रहा?
सर्व काही ठीक होतं, व्यवस्थित, खूप मजा आली आम्हाला सुद्धा सामना बघायला। एक आनंद 2007 नंतर आम्हाला मिळाला तो 2024 ला रोहित शर्माने आमच्या कॅप्टननी, आमच्या मुंबईचा कॅप्टन, त्यांनी आम्हाला दिला रोहित शर्मा मुंबईचा किंग। बस धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
You saw this young man trying to express himself and he said that for 17 long years India had not won a cup and Rohit Sharma is the man that they have been thanking for providing happiness to several Indians, congratulating the Indian cricket team. They are all extremely happy out here. Out of nervousness, some of them are not even being able to speak or freely express themselves. And going back to the bus again, this is the bus. These are the volunteers and the security that has been laid out. So the elaborate arrangements, few minutes from now on, the bus will leave for the NCPA, which is the starting point, the National Center for Performing Arts, and will come back all the way, bringing the players into the Wankhede Stadium, which is where inside the stadium, in the middle of the ground, they are going to have a grand reception where the prize money of 125 crores rupees that has been announced for them will also be distributed to the players and the staff as well.
Okay, Dave, as you're showing us all of the excitement, the color there and that bus on board which you'll see Team India essentially greeting all of the fans there in Mumbai. It's going to be a massive, massive show. I'm sure you remember what happened the last time around we won the T20 World Cup, and those pictures, those memories still fresh in our minds. A repeat of that today, courtesy this amazing team who made it possible for all of us to celebrate in the manner that we are today. Dave, what exactly is the plan going ahead? When is the team expected to touch down in Mumbai?
Well, the plan out here is that this is the exit and the entry point as well. From this very gate, the bus that we showed you earlier is going to be leaving in a few minutes from now on. It will meet the players at NCPA, the Indian cricket team, and the coaching staff and other staff members as well will hop onto this open bus and give the several Indians a glimpse and really speak to them. Several Indian fans are also excited. So along the 1.5 kilometer route all the way into Wankhede Stadium, starting from NCP on D Road, they're going to come here, and from here this bus will go further inside into the Wankhede Stadium, which is where also, if I can show you, that is the structure, the grey color structure of the Wankhede Stadium. You see those massive poles that have been erected. That is going to be entirely full. In a few minutes from now on, several people have come all the way from Gujarat and even different parts of Maharashtra who we spoke to earlier this morning. Also, a lot of working men and working women have sort of skipped work or either taken half day at work only to witness this historic moment. Something like this had happened back in 2011 at this very iconic venue, the Wankhede Stadium, when Mahendra Singh Dhoni was the captain and lifted the ICC World Cup trophy of the 50 over format. And today, Rohit Sharma being a Mumbai boy, it also brings India immense happiness. People feel a sense of emotion and a very strong connect with the people. And out here, my location is Wankhede Stadium. So these are the kind of details that we have at this point in time, but you can really see that I am surrounded by several people who are a part of the Samna Dol Tasha Pathak band and the crew. They are getting ready. In fact, they are a little restless now and want the team to arrive so that they can really perform for them and express a sense of gratitude, a massive thank you. And there is happiness within them that knows no bounds for today at least.
So I'd like to bring in Mustafa Sheikh on this broadcast, who's joining us live from Marine Drive, which is where, Mustafa, you're going to be seeing this huge victory lap by the men in blue. And I can see that all the fans are already ready, already geared up.
Of course, you can see because we are at Marine Drive here. It's a starting point, and you can see. कहाँ से आया? गोरखपुर, यूपी सुल्तानपुर, यूपी सुल्तानपुर. कब आए यूपी सुल्तानपुर? परसों. अच्छा, तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ काम से आए थे मुंबई में. हाँ, टीम इंडिया का इंतजार करेंगे. इसीलिए आया था यहाँ. So you can see from all over the places people are from. कहाँ से आए?
Nanded.
From Nanded, from Maharashtra, there is people from Mumbai. You can see that people are gathering here. Come here, sir. Come here. You have come here for a walk or for Team India?
No, for Team India.
Wait, it's to us. What have you got? Show us there. Show us there. So the posters say end of an era. India won but lost these diamonds. Yes. So you feel sad that they have retired. What?
Yeah. So I feel that they should not retire. They probably should play more and win more trophies. That's it. Thank you.
Come here. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
So you are here for Team India.
Of course.
What do you want to tell them? How are you feeling right now?
Just want to thank you, and I want to say sorry Hardik Pandya for trolling. I'm really so sorry.
You told him?
I was feeling, मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा थी उस time. I was like, क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर
He
रहा है?
was playing for Mumbai Indians as captain in IPL.
Exactly, but I really want to say sorry. I texted him on Instagram. I'm so sorry, Hardik Pandya. I'm so sorry.
Please accept real apologies of the fan, and he has made up in the T20 World Cup. You feel?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The last over was amazing, and I want to say sorry. Seriously, I'm still. मतलब मैंने क्यों ही बोला उल्टा सीधा. I'm sorry, but it is.
So that's emotion. Fans get emotional sometimes. Last viewer will say will show you the tricolor once more. And so where are you from?
I'm from Bombay.
So what do you have to say to Team India?
I mean, many congratulations. It's a very great feeling. We just missed it in November 7 months ago, but it's a fantastic feeling to have come back and won this. You can see the enthusiasm, the entire India. I think these are the kind of things that really lift up the nation. So thank you, Virat. Thank you, Kohli.
Were you there by any chance in 2017 when the World Cup parade happened?
No, I was not. I mean, I just missed it, but I didn't want to miss this one. So really, a deep thanks to the entire team.
We'll take cheers from fans before coming back to you, Akshita.
Rohit Sharma.
Mumbai's a Raja.
Rohit Sharma.
Bumrah.
Boom, boom, Bumrah. Boom, boom, Bumrah.
Thank you.
Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki.